deputy organizer. The Kofa when you buy, I don't know. And I woke say you lose to Asawase seat. Who the question Dr. Bawumia? And the deputy organizer rose up. No say from 1992 D party you know. Asawase Asawase yeah reneda. And you come
Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sem TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching. Ebusiafo ebia na me nimo but me pese metiase. Na me sanso ebisa Honorable Kennedy akompreko e Japan say. Eye Ashanti region Asawase seat no daben ena NPP fo elusi seat no ede ema eye Honorable Muntaka. Because me started to meet the politics started 2016 eba 17 18 19 na be 2024 NPP for the whole opposition nti bia na me be di politics no na Asawase city na wo NPP ni bi ho. I think when NPP ni bi ho kra na ewo achi, but since I'm starting to meet the politics NPP for etna so 8 years no, I don't think say Asawase seat no omu lucy edema your friend say na NPP for lucy the ma NDC for within that range you know. Timpesa metiase. Now Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan you see sometimes oh ya na so mo kasa wanima na ebi mo ginachi na Honorable abua party no adenti na mo kasa nanim but the Honorable no deliberate what should that so person go party no. That is what I think, because make me understand say party a one kasa more primaries akwako you one leader babedi mo anim na so Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan no winia. How do you expect say Honorable say Vice President Dr. Bawumia na chidefo eba be kan ho aye campaign na ma do ombeba but almost be make sure say the old year Dr. Bawumia no be ye ubi. I think say ajubrel ebusanfo Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan ekopie mu ewo Ashanti region as usual. 31st January and NPP former primaries no eba so. Na Honorable ne campaign or the kopie mu Ashanti region no personally na mesre because he was saying so houses Ashanti region na whole lot and a campaign na I think in Bibi abesin ko be 2 months or say almost a friend said Dr. Bawumia na chidifo akwa kan asem bi na a campaign na Honorable when so your campaign. Can you obeti me say asem na I think say a journalist be o adom FM and our kind sa journalist be no host friend say burning shows and visa no say Vice President Dr. Bawumia ko cancel na na campaign asem na ensem Honorable ke campaign asem wo dan wo Kumasi na hine campaign asem na yen fa no kran to nchen Honorable kire say Asawase seat no Dr. Bawumia na Oma NPP for elusi na constituency organizer one of them sorry also Honorable ne tie pen in some den BC pa na na Ghana fu bi so HS NPP fu ni bi HS Honorable say ye kakra nka odi jaya Asawase seat no na bra o constituency Asen Central utna seat ni so many years office will lose the man mostly enti how is that possible say Vice President Dr. Bawumia and o man Asawase seat no if NPP for nsa na dem pa na woje ede efi eye Dr. Bawumia ho ensem no eya hometi ye papa cheze NPP fu na dem ano atum yenti ese ensem no esi ekoy.
You see, we respect them, we honor them, we appreciate the Mayama party no, but yes no obia campaign a ukon obia ntimi mpa wasem Honorable Kennedy Japan tiase sa when you want to do a decent campaign obia ni uni asem. And so I have demonstrated that me anytime bia minister kabedin ko bia or be call me without how is your campaign going no akanasem. The only times I disagree with him try no na making okoye and tribalism and religious politics. Come na what him betna hanma obeye and decent campaign we allowed him, he did it. Obia nsi kwan obia una no. And this member were higher than member nam near the no. Where were your men? NDC for no I know. So what's the member NDC for no in 2024? Where were your men? And now because we were not the presidential candidate, now I'm found home. Now what try me lusu. Now the benyas maka. NDC for your seat say in Ashanti region. at your backyard, your central region. Yenya city say oh. So if you have the Midas touch to win us back the political seat, parliamentary seat Lusu ya, at then 2024. Obeka say no anya presidential candidate. And no NPP ni ye. In any case, so no anya presidential candidate kwana, u see it na wu jan hono. How did you protect it for us? Ubo wo ba ko do say. E una na do so do. If you have the men, where were the men? Your so-called NDC for right now, Omuway. A here na Kennedy Pua campaign, Obiasi the Quines on Manenge. And the moon, Munia Bamu near there. As if say up power near lose as a day. Oh, because in a center Yelusu vote. Ulusu ya would dare wound to me say, or but deliver in a center Yamiashano. Now we expected the bay, our center region. Please don't know about point. Please. We respect you. We appreciate you. The way my party, no, or Suma my party, no, government, as a politician, as a parliamentarian, as a businessman, whatever, we appreciate it. But uye diebu, uye unu do. And a mema waha, and at the 1st January, Mubu mema, and a bema PM run why? And as a bia o kasa just I would dare party no unkwa we wine. May the last thing I will permit on this platform so Babet Hanum Abeka say it yaw. But there was okay kakono. O ya ma ho kwan man kola ni biba no ma beka bi etiaw. O ya o campaign. Yes wa kwa so kwa. And the deputy organizer, the kofa we nya ba I don't know. And I will say you lose Asawase seat. Put the question Dr. Bawumia, and the deputy organizer rose up. No say from 1992 D party nechino. Asawase Asawase ya reneda. And you can't blame Asawase city lose here on Dr. Bawumia. Anyway. Except that the narration they gave me, from you hono. But I have spoken to the deputy organizer this morning. That is the account he gave me. And I'm a member, and I'm away. Where were your men? If it is your one some now can say no cry. NDC for no or member now no more way. Or because you were not a presidential candidate in the or you were waiting for us to lose. Now the Samaka. Please, we respect you for all what you have done for the party. Now, no more 10 cents of Kenya. I stood here, spoke against it. But honorable Kenya Pon, Mr. I thought I was also take a break. Monso amanya namono, mon kasancheno. Some can want tears of my own. Because you am far away ni mampeni. Na sembia ba wunu bia sabe ya kra ya mo bra bia yi no asebe wa ya wunu e bura nchebu ya nifa so na wo de asembia obi aba kan bia ba yi na no na say that be di mampani dia obeda kwa concentrate on governance no too much and at 31st January mu de mu ba wunu mema and a bema bia ni ho and one when he say mu ni aban mu ye ni aban wo do wa aban mu maybe e bia wa aban mu ebi on the wabem ebi lose no etola wo tie ni kasa as a any democracy lose power. Why do you do that? You have suffered for because of this party. You have paid your dues for this party. But I thought that nyabotre control your temper.
Sha e wo sunsumu no me hu se enkophobia come Mali Mali ano makofa malams fo abagana. Se omumbeya nyomantia Dr. Bawumia. I'm telling you, I saw it. Me musan ko for ye nyomantia Dr. Bawumia. Me sorry yana me ye video. Me sorry yana me ba me manager wa ye video. Se Bawumia mompaye. Na Bawumia mfane na nsi fom a ye beji ade ne dia. Ma shan kom no, me ma shan kom no. But Dr. mfane na ye nsi fom a Doctor is born to become a president. Bawumia nyame de ne ba asase so me president. but the doctor I'm sorry me hu se nkofo ye nwoma tia no nkofo ye nwoma tia no but the nyame aka no na no one waka Bawumia is winning this primaries hands down. I am the first prophet I'm share unkom before 31st I'm for kabie. Now after Bawumia becomes the flag bearer no say oya ne nyoma ya. I am not talking about Yobi count. After Bawumia wins the primaries no, if he's able to so or to turn nyoma ya, Bawumia will become the president of the Republic of Ghana. Manuel Semos is that, and I don't care what will be better. Say Bawumia we need primaries no. Now, Bawumia will become the president of the Republic of Ghana. Etimon country doctor said, Odi for say, on to train your money. The conquer for your metiano. Omo person good anymore. Now, on the 31st of January, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be crowned as the winner of the NPP primaries. Nothing will change it. Bye bye.
Here, only obi was on a new background. Oh, you fugitive. What a prison da. Why? Make out that prison and now. I now patch your same friend and now. No be you. Make I pa. Eh? Politics now be ya, bra. But ye can't software. I mean, can be bitch. Ye you be to say Otabella. Wa fen e wa dem. Otabel. Utumi read the Bible. More. Otabel. In preaching. Otabel preaching politics. Otabel your church for. Otabel sorry go beyond Ghana. Otabel ewu schools esanwo university. Otabel clear car otie duty. Asofo edifo, she presbyterfo, she Roman sofo, she Pentecost sofo, she Anglican sofo. So ICGC suffer. So Victory Bible suffer. Asofo ni bi wo mu yenim de. Asofo ni bi wo ha, wuti wo mu preaching na. It talks about them. We asofo na person kan economics preach economics. Use the Bible to defend it. Use data to defend it. Na de bia usu bempa. Wa sorry and I in gugubu esi yo no. People grow out of it. What sorry, man? Apart from politics, any social media gossip, DM, how do you impact them? How are you growing them? So you confu, so you deal. The biana udiatum. Also, Uzu Bempa. Share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, when you he's grown in politics. And economics, why yebi Ghana, why DN why ama Ghana, apart from fake prophecies. DN pan why ama Ghana. In Crawford, your man who didn't build Ghana, no, oh dear, what the word, who didn't air raw draws a cassia, a two cassia now, therefore. One who didn't now, they are through. Ma. Na de bia one maeko na de bia wo threaten ma nyame wa ma so obeye sa wo nti mimi nyi ni se nyame adwuma na obeye ye no ma men kan kiro se wunnim na wo don sem ko Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia solo no ne hoyi de atwamu no emre sa mbre na atwamu o she bi ye oni obi anya ni oni pakro na nka Okoka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye betie si wuso. One say anointing was na ira eko. O sorry I now come. Aden na wunhu ohia ni abeni eba Ghana so na wonsa. Aden na wonko hospitals na wonmoa. Aden na ekunafo ne nkrofo yare wonmoa wo. Na de bia opu. Jese wo de o prophecy nyina ye. Politics. Now politics, no. Yenim for research. Ubusasi and findings and now abijinaka. We know all. Sa jana 1, jana 2 are we? Usu bempa. Ntia oda. Let's now see and find Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no. Shiema. Own few. Oh dear. Why so do a futem biano. Pedjume biye. Why? Bobra pa. so nyame papa ne jai tricks no sisi akonfo kra omukom yiye obeye hia ye hye jai motoro mujo no obeye nwa yenyu ne jai motoro mujo no ne makacho stay of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 31st bebe tro ne no ma unhu da o koda so ana usuro so beda mene wa kade ato agrada me de besu nyansa ye nyina ye wo baabi ko ye nyina obi ani ho so chembra no na mra no so mu a eso mu kakra na so kai se ne na wusu a wo true tantrums a na wo pacho no ye twa wo naked ka wo boxes no so kai obi a wo baabi ko so just be careful.
President Mama, me pacho tie mi kakra wai. Omampeni mama. Minim se wangasa wa babontin abekan street say nya de a obekọ tetem dia. Yes, and that is the right thing you did. It was a very nice thing you did. But sometimes na wangasa o kan asema Ghana for we na yenjundi because wangasa we bie wenum akan straight say more politicians no mo kan okre kakra na mo twantro kakra inti sa asem na o kan say unko bio no this in this case yenim say no okre kakra no bio say entro kakra no bio yenim inti sometimes e hwa na minim say wa na otuetu ankrofo sika na ya na mo ba social media na mo beye o tetem agenda no ho adwuma President Mama o bo adwuma o yesei inti wo be ko biem wan ko biem a the youth of Ghana ye nti ase me paucho sa ansem na ya ankrofo ka no eye no kreda enye youth of Ghana bia na asmo bia so meka sa asem no inti sa asem na wa obie wa no aka se wonko biem no say no crew say no crew enu ponya wo na obeka the constitution makes